Hi, it's Shannon at Admire Plastic Surgery again. So I started a video, but I don't think I pushed record. So I already cleansed my face and applied some serum. I'm going to be microneedling in this Osmosis Catalyst Serum. It's, you can read it down here, it's DNA Repair. Very good serum. It's amazing. So you can microneedle in a variety of things. You would definitely want a professional to do this. So I'm just going to show you what the procedure's like, and I'm going to show you my skin again. I did, last thing I did was a peel a few weeks ago. I have pretty clogged pores. I have some broken capillaries. I have pigmentation, fine lines around my eyes, a lot of congestion in here. Okay. So this treatment should help. I can post a after photo if you'd like. Okay. So, let's begin. So this is the pen I use. It's all backwards, Rejuvapen. This is the tip. We're gonna set this today at, I don't want to get crazy, like a 0.8. I am not numb for this procedure, and I'm a big baby, so. I probably should have numbed. So anyways, let's get to it. You don't need to see a ton of bleeding. I prefer to just basically till the skin, kind of make small punctures. Yeah, you don't really need to be super bloody to get a good treatment. That's a misconception. I combine this treatment with a lot of my other treatments. I can do skin tightening, IPL, all in the same day. I do dermaplaning to get the fuzz off pretty much every single time I use this, just to help the serum penetrate in better. It kind of opens up the skin. I'm using almost a whole millimeter here, and I'm not bleeding, so I might turn it up. I just kind of want to show you some pinpoint bleeding, what it looks like. Maybe you'll see it around the eyes though. I should turn it down around the eyes. The eyes are about half the thickness. Pardon my face, facial expression. Let's see. Yeah, my under eyes bug me, getting those little wrinkles. I love doing it in there. So fun. So pretty much, I'm just gonna show you half of my face, so I don't have to record so long. You can go right into the eyebrows, which I love. It can stimulate hair growth. It'll help with this really, crepey, thin skin in the lid. Oh wow. It hurts in the forehead a little bit. Oh. can go right over the lip as long as you don't get cold sores, which I don't. Oh, there's some blood. Yay! And I am actually trying to kind of till or make holes in some of my, like that little thing is a, kind of like a milia. It's like a pore that will never go away, a little congested spot. So I'm just gonna like, get it. So yeah, I'm looking pretty red. And I have some bigger pores here, so I'm gonna double pass it. See that wrinkle? Oh yeah. Bye bye wrinkle. No numbing cream, so it's not the end of the world. This is like the 4th generation of the needling systems. It's really not bad. It used to be barbaric and super painful. It's not so bad anymore. And bigger pores. I probably should, I probably will flake quite a bit. Some people, I can go 1/4 this depth and you wouldn't even have any downtime. You'd be able to go out that night. So just showing you a more, slightly more aggressive one. I can still go 4 times heavier than this too. So kind of change it per situation. And, ooh, that one hurts. So I just leave it half done. Whoa. So, a little bit of redness. Let me just show you too. You can go all the way. You can go all the way up here. Watery. Okay, and then all the way down here. Okay, and now I'm going to apply a barrier cream, and I would just, at this point, be almost done and send the person home and give them instructions. I wouldn't want anyone to do anything for the rest of the day with a deeper treatment like this. So that's microneedling.